Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of software engineering subject. In today's video lecture, we will discuss about the RMMM means RMMM. Meaning of RMMM is risk mitigation, monitoring and management. So first of all, let's discuss about risk. So in definition of risk, we have understand that risk is an unwanted thing during the software or project development that we don't expect it happens and that can affect the project or product, means it can harm the project or product development. Okay, so for it we have our triple M plan. We will discuss it. This can be divided into risk mitigation, monitoring and management. R stands for risk, M stands for mitigation, monitoring and management. So first of all, what is risk mitigation? So it is an activity used to avoid problem, or we can say risk mitigation means risk avoidance. We will have to understand that risk mitigation or risk avoidance is a part that can be applied before the risk happens. Risk becomes reality. Step for mitigation the risk as follows. First step says finding out the risk. Second stage, removing causes that are reason for risk creation. We will have to remove the causes that can make a risk. Third is controlling the corresponding documents time to time. And fourth says conducting timely reviews to speed up the work. By these things we can mitigate or we can avoid the risk. Means if risk become reality, before that we can find out it. So this is the risk mitigation part. Second thing is risk monitoring. It is an activity used to project tracking. Monitoring means one type of tracking of risk. It has following primary objective. First objective is to check if predicted risk occur or not. If we have predicted some risk, so that risk are occurred or not, that tracking is the objective for the risk monitoring. Second says to ensure proper application of risk aversion steps defined for risk. Proper steps are defined for not. It is our second objective. Third says to collect data for future risk analysis. We will analyze all the parts and collect the data for next risk analysis of other projects. To allocate what problems are caused by which risk throughout the project. If some risk happens, that by that risk what other unwanted things happen, that we will collect the information and we will use into the future plans. So here we have seen second thing, risk monitoring. First thing was risk mitigation, means it was the before risk. Risk monitoring means during the risk, and after we will have our risk management, which if risk become reality, then our risk management part will be into the picture. It assumes that the mitigation activity failed and risk is a reality. This task is done by project manager when risk becomes reality and causes solve problems. So risk management work will be done by project manager. This is a several times asked question. If the project manager effectively uses project mitigation to remove risk successfully, then it is easier to manage the risk. This shows that the response that will be taken for each risk by a manager. The main objective of the risk management plan is the risk register. Means if any risk is happened, risk is reality, then manager will have to register that risk time by time. This risk register describes and focuses on the predicted threats to be software project. Means if we have some risk in reality, then we will have some predicted problems, predicted threats that can be happen by the several risks. So we can work for that threats, for that unwanted things. Okay, so this is RMMM, risk mitigation, risk monitoring and risk management. Okay, so this is it for today's video lecture. If you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you, friends.